Hi, welcome to the demo for Weather Now, an Android weather app. We'll start by opening the app from Android Studio onto our phone. After a quick splash, it opens right to the search page where user can look up weather around the world. When we search Toronto in the search bar, the app quickly filters the list. Tapping Toronto open the weather detail showing current temperature, humidity, wind, everything on it. If we go back and search for Montreal, we can select Montreal to see its current weather. So it's 16 degree and partly cloud. So if we go back and checking for the Vancouver, so we can take a look on temperature of Vancouver. So let's go back. So we can see a saved in the bottom saved bar. We can save temperature in it, and we can see setting. So we can send feedback in setting, and we can also share application in setting. So now let's take a look at the code. Main activity sets up the bottom bar and handles switching between different screens. If we are like trying to switch the screen from one to another, from save to setting, so it will switch it very smoothly. Splash activity and weather detail activity. So if we talk about weather detail activity, it takes the weather data from the selected city which we are going to check and display it on the screen. The main purpose of this is weather detail activity is to show the temperature or display the temperature on the screen from the selected city. So if we talk about city adapter, if we have a list of different cities and we are trying to scroll it, so it will scroll it very smoothly. Saved fragment. In save fragment, we can save the temperature of different city, whatever you want. And search fragment. In search fragment, it helps us to filter the list instantly as the user types. If we are trying to type the temperature of Toronto, so the city Toronto will appear over there on the front. So if we talk about setting fragment, in setting fragment we have three main things. We have GitHub, feedback, and share app. We can share the app to our friends, or we can also send feedback if we have any issue in it. If we talk about the layouts, we have two layouts: city data and weather. So there's a detailed temperature or detailed weather in it, or detail of city. So if we talk about weather repository handles getting live weather data from the internet using OK HTTP. So like we can get the live weather of different cities by using the internet or using OK HTTP. If we talk about weather view model, so the purpose of weather view model is to manage the data flow, so the screen update automatically whenever the new weather information arrives. So if we talk about our layouts, we have different layouts over here. So the layouts use constraint layout and material design card to keep the design clean and easy to read. So the main purpose of this all layouts is to help us to easy to read the code or to make it very clean. So that was my project. So that wrap up our app demo. Thanks for watching.